back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be doing a room tour. I have no idea how this is going to earn me subscribers, but I just thought it would be kind of interesting. I literally have Nutella stuck on my cheek. So I have no idea how this is going to gain me subscribers. I'm not sure if anybody's going to even click on this, but those who did, thank you very much. So let's get on to this. So here we are. This is my bed that I literally just updated. So I normally have a Paris one, but now I'm using this rainbow one. So I don't really use this one very often. Jumper's lying on my bed. I made him here because I have to watch you. Are you scared of the camera? Oh, you're scared. All right, tour begins now. So here it is, my bed, the lid for whatever I'm using. Here we go is my wallet, some decorative pillows, some real pillows. My dog being alarmed for some reason. Here we have some rainbow pillows and all those sorts of stuff, some stickers. I love unicorns. And then we have some unicorn paintings, some to-do stuff right there. A big light. I don't have to turn it on in the morning because it's already pretty bright. The window. My lava lamp, which I didn't turn on because, well, I don't turn it on in the morning. Some snow globes. Another snow globe. A card I got from my mom. A mirror. And then we also have, well, a painting I did. Just 3 nail polishes, and for me, the best fidget. What is wrong with me? Fidget spinner I've ever had, and I painted it myself. And some, oh, that's my tooth that I had taken out. And then we have the everything box. And then it says, here sits the queen. Jumper thinking, what am I doing? And this is whenever I get new pens and stuff. I got this for my 7th or 8th, I don't know. It was my 7th birthday, and I have this for like the bottom for cushioning. And I store some cute little dolls inside here. And I can lie down in here. These are extremely cute. I can do a plushie video. And I got this for my birthday from my aunt. And there's a treasure chest right there that I keep my private stuff. There's a reason why it's private where nobody can look. We got 2 Alexas for some reason. I don't know why I have 2 Alexas. Something that makes the room smell good. You know, just have some tropical thing. When my brother was helping me clean my room, he did this. Remember to be happy or else. And then he has something behind there that teaches me binary in case I forget. Those of you probably know binary. My sewing machine, I haven't cleaned this part yet, which I definitely should. These are some markers. And I use these markers to draw stuff like this. My messy closet, I'm not going to do. Maybe I should record a cleaning my closet video. My map of the world. And then, well, that's basically it. My room is big, but it's not really detailed. There's like so much places. Light, desk, chair, trash can, teepee, jumper, bed, and storage space. So that's the entire room tour. So thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed it, please like and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an upload from me. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Next video, I'm going to be doing a collab.